Hey everybody, Tam back with another unboxing for you guys. Did promise you guys there'd be another unboxing, but you're probably, like, as I said before, sick of me at this point. I usually get orders in every couple of weeks, maybe every week sometimes. They usually have random things in them, like I know that the next time I'm going to probably get another D'Agostini. I'm trying to decide which one I want. But let me just, get this open. This is not D'Agostini. This is just cars. And there's a there's a couple of very interesting ones in here that I'm going to show you guys. There's a couple of harder to find ones I actually got for a pretty good price. I'm going to show you what those are when I get this open. Just give me a second to try to get this box open. It can be really, really difficult sometimes to get these boxes open without a scissor. And I don't really like to use a scissor on camera a lot of the time. So be a little bit tricky. Get this. Oh, there we go. Okay. All right. So here it is. Here's what I'm going to get started with. Let me get started with this one first. This is the Sheriff Patrol. This is a color changer. I got these all for a really good price. A really good deal, actually. This is a color changer. This is really nice. Let me get this one open. This one seems like this is the Chevy Tahoe, but this is the white version. I got the red version from a toy show. This is the white version. This is from 2009, and it says 07 Chevy Tahoe, and it's white. I'm actually going to get this model open. I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. It's pretty cool if you take a look at it. All right, let me put that off to the side here. Let me get this one open. This is the MR2. This is pretty cool. It does have some Tampa wear on it, but I expected that when it was going to come in, so it's not in the best of condition. It is pretty banged up. This one. Now, there's a couple cars in here, like I said, that I'm going to actually talk to you about that are hard to find. This is the Porsche Cayman. This is one of the hard to find ones. This is an interesting one. This is the Chevy Citation, and typically, which is weird, this car goes for a lot of money. I've seen this go for like 20 bucks in the packaging, but I got this for $1. And is it that the Hot Wheels are just going down in price? Like, can somebody let me know that? Because I'm noticing a lot of the rare cars are going down in price. Like, they're not worth as much as they used to be. And I'm not sure why. I don't know. I mean, I know that Citation typically would be a hard to find model because it's older, but I just find it kind of weird. Like, I find it kind of strange. But this says X11. I'm going to do individual reviews on these as well, like I do with all my cars. So I'm not going to really go into a lot of detail with these. I'll do that when I do my individuals. This is the 58 Corvette. It's in blue. Okay, let me get this one open. This is the Nomad, and I'm going to open the box. This is from 2010. This is the Chevy Nomad, Classic Nomad, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to get this open and show you guys the Nomad. It's a pretty nice car. Put that off the side. We have the, this is a special mail-in car. These are only sold for mail-ins. And this is the Mustang Mach-1 from that series. Let me see what else there is. I think there's only a couple more cars in here. Okay. So this was the Jeep Scrambler. Scooby-Doo. So I actually saw this at the Englishtown Flea Market. If you guys watched the vlog of that, this one car was at the flea market. Fast Fortress in green. The Maelstrom, which is in green also. That's a Acer exclusive. I'm gonna get this open. And then this one's interesting because I did order a different car, but he sent me something else. This is the side splitter, the race team series. So I actually got to contact the seller and let him know that. But this is the 271, only in a different packaging and a different color. So the 271 is worth around $3,000. This is not that, so don't ask. This is that. This is one that's worth like 50 cents. All right, guys, that's it for my haul for today. Thank you very much.